Hey guys, do you know this is a garage door? Yes, it is. It is enjoying great popularity in Australia, and it is the great garage door with wooden surface. Okay, now let's see how it works. And this is our ceiling motor. This ceiling motor has a function that is when your door closes and it touches something, it will bounce back. And this garage door can be installed inside the opening. And of course, you also can install the garage door inside of the house, like this. And this is the color of our garage door. Please contact us for free design.